Fuck yeah! Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Ryan. Welcome to our channel, Just Giver Garage, where we're gonna be working on projects and Jeeps, trucks, drift cars, you name it. Today we're gonna be working on Jimmy's drift car build. It is a BMW 330 Ci convertible. A little backstory to the car is the car was repoed. Somehow the guy managed to find it and mess the car up. Like, I mean, he dumped salt all over the motor, all in the motor. He came back and he stabbed it. Like, he stabbed the hood, ripped the soft top, stabbed the seats. And then the car ended up going to a car lot where it was picked apart. Like, when we first went to check it out, it was missing the front control arm, knuckle, front suspension. It didn't have any wheels. It was just sitting on the ground. So my buddy picked this Beamer up for it was a steal that he got it for. Like, it was super cheap. Here's a little look at the car right now. The chassis is a really good chassis. Like, it's in good shape. It's in really good shape. Like, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Not bad. It's been a lot of work, like, just to get it to this point, just because the guy dumped rock salt on everything, so it just seized all the bolts. Like, every bolt we tried to take off snapped. It's just been a pain in the butt, but luckily Jimmy has a spare motor that he pulled out of another BMW E46 a couple of years ago. So let's see if we can get that going. We're going to be doing today headers, alternator, hopefully clutch transmission. Yeah, so let's see where we end up today. Everything on this car has just been a headache, so let's get to it. So what we're doing here is trying to get this what would you call that, like just a nut? Yeah. Sleeve kind of thing in the alternator. Yeah.
Okay, we got a little bit more to go.
Alternator's fucked. Like and subscribe. So we were trying to put this nut into the alternator and we ended up cracking the housing. For some reason this alternator did not come with the nut. So we're gonna have to give our local parts store a call and see if we can try to get another one. But there's the crack. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, that sucks. En route to get alternator number 4.
2 hours later.
We just got back from the parts store with alternator number 4. Hopefully we don't mess this up. Alright, time to install the alternator. Have a good day. So today we made some progress. We got the alternator in after chasing alternator parts all around the city. We did the secondary vacuum pump delete. Let's get started on headers.
Tomorrow.
Can't forget that gasket, huh? Clean up and go eat.
Headers are on. Rear main seals in. clutch and transmission tomorrow.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's a new day. We're gonna get cracking on the transmission, clutch, flywheel, all that fun stuff. So yeah, let's take a look. So what we get done yesterday, Jimmy?
Headers are done, alternator's done. Just buttoned up all the wiring harness.
Looking
Getting
good.
ready to put the transmission in. Just gave it a quick wash.
Got the rear main seal in there.
Rear main seals in.
Man, we're getting there. We're definitely getting there, huh? Let's go take a look at the transmission. It's all cleaned up and washed now, huh?
Yep. Clean enough.
Yeah. So what kind of transmission is this?
It's a ZF 5-speed.
Nice, nice. What's everybody looking for, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice, nice.
We just replaced the detent pins.
Awesome. So what was it missing? It was missing third gear or something like that, or
fifth and reverse.
fifth and reverse.
Just,
Damn, look at this race car stuff, huh?
Yeah. Stage 3 Clutch Max America.
Nice. Nice. Look at that lightweight flywheel. How many pounds did that cut again?
So the dual mass flywheel that we took out to put this single mass in dropped 15 pounds.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. It's gonna be awesome. What's the break-in period again?
3,000.
Is it, yeah,
3,000 kilometers.
Nice. Look at that, huh?
I don't even know if we'll be able to get that by the end of the season.
Yeah. So we're gonna get installing this. Let's see how this goes. I'll play director if you want.
This fucking car got me again, man.
Oh, bit ya. What's new?
I don't think you're supposed to punch the flywheel. Your flywheel, buddy.
This is not as heavy as the other one.
That one hits back. Blood all over this shit.
We can get the starter and stuff too, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Transmission, clutch, starter.
Remember the torque specs on these, or?
Nope.
I've looked up.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
Well, Dennis put it in last time.
I gotta find that alignment tool. It's probably back in the car. Look at that shit. I like sprayed it all over the place. This belt just wouldn't be the same. So I'm gonna read the chance I
Every day we work on the beaver and getting better with something wrong.
Yeah.
Put an ad on your low trade PlayStation 5 for running heavy.
Running heavy. Installed in my truck.
Preferably with performance parts.
Well, like turbo power adder, supercharger.
Oh, it really depends, you know? Yeah.
All of it.
See what that bulletproof transmission can really handle.
Really though. And then once it's born, you want to blow it up anyways.
Yep.
You know, 5 seats welded.
Yeah, man.
And then being in it. Would have anyways, but the Hemi just sort of, you know,
Yeah.
came along after.
Yeah.
And now the camera's here, you can, you know, you don't make famous off doing stock shit.
somehow we managed to lose the clutch alignment tool. So Jimmy's gonna be rigging up a socket with tape, and he's gonna jam it in the flywheel. Yeah, just gonna jam it in the flywheel there. Hopefully we can keep everything aligned. Rigging up some sketchy shit. Thank God we found the clutch alignment tool. That would have been a pain in the butt. Things are looking up now. It's looking good.
Okay.
Idea for this one.
Take 357.
Transmission's almost in. It's looking up. So Jimmy's just putting in the starter right now. Transmission's almost done.
Fucking work on a car in a heat wave.
Derek just had to wear that shirt again. The heat wave.
I mean, realistically though, we were running out of days. It seemed like every day was hot as fuck. Because we're gonna be here.
Yeah, I wore the shirt.
Oh, the starter is now in. Take a look at that. Nice brand new starter. I think it ran about 120 bucks. It's real good. Transmission's pretty well in. Headers are on.
4 more bolts.
Got 4 more bolts for the transmission, and I think we can call her a night. What do you guys say?
Oh, fuck yeah. Time to go in the pool.
Yeah. Eat some food.
Yeah, eat. For sure. Starve.
Hey, well, that's the end of that. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, smash that bell if you guys want to keep following us along with this BMW drift car build. Yeah, just thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.